My name is Eric, and I've been in the field of education since about 2003. And here recently, I had the opportunity to be part of one of the Be Great seminars through Dynamics, and I cannot tell you how valuable of an experience this was. I could really list many things that I took away from the interaction, but there are two things that are really important from my perspective. The first being that the speakers were dynamic. I've been to a number of seminars, and one of the things that I appreciated about this most is that the passion that the instructors had in regards to the material and seeing educators and administrators go to the next level is tangible. Secondly, I appreciated the fact that this was experiential. This is not going to be one of those seminars where you sit back and you're talked to, but you're going to have the opportunity to be vulnerable and to experience the thought process necessary to take your experiences to the next level. And so it allowed for an authentic experience that really changed the way that I see the way that I work. And so for those of you who are thinking about taking part in this, it is worth the time, it is worth the investment to be part of one of these seminars. So I truly encourage you to do that.
Good morning. Are you looking for a way to take back your life? Are you looking for a way to discover your authentic self? Then come to the professional development with Dwight Carter on Be Great on May the 8th. He will give you specific strategies on how to be great, how to be a leader, how to build trust in a working environment, as well as how to discover your authentic self. Sign up today. Be great. The choice is yours.